Hi, and welcome to this full body yoga flow. Let's begin standing. Stand with your feet about shoulder distance apart. Let your shoulders relax, let your neck relax. Roll your chin towards your chest. Chin to your right shoulder, then ear to your right shoulder. Roll the head back. Left ear to left shoulder. Chin to shoulder. Chin to chest. Again like that to the right. Moving 1 mile an hour. Nice and slow, shoulders relaxed. Then change direction. Now rolling the shoulders up, back, and down 3 times. And then the other way. Up, forward, and down. Now take your feet just a little bit wider. Bring your hands onto your lower back. Take the elbows forward and back, starting to warm up the rotators in the shoulders. This is great to start to open up the tension in the front of the shoulder and the chest, while strengthening the muscle in the back of the shoulder when you squeeze in the back position. Good. Now let's take the knuckles to the temples and do that same motion. Squeezing down and opening up. Moving with the breath now. As you exhale, elbows come in, and as you inhale, open the elbows. Take the arms out to the side, turn the palms to face up, and make little circles backwards. Turn the thumbs down, make little circles forward. Turn the thumbs back, make bigger circles backward. Turn thumbs down, make bigger circles forward. Now slide your left hand behind your back as you reach your right arm up and over in side bend, and then change sides. Feel your breath moving through your nose, natural rhythm of the breath. Ground down through your feet, your heels and your toe mounts. Feel from your hips, you're anchoring to the earth as you're moving here. Then clasp your hands behind your back, roll your chest and shoulders open as you inhale, lift your heart up towards the sky. Then reach the arms up and overhead, interlock the fingers, reach up. And release. Turn towards the front of your mat. Fold forward, plant your hands, step your left leg back, hands onto the inside of the right leg now. As a modification, you can drop your left knee down as you raise your right arm up and twist. Then lower your elbow down towards your big toe. 4 more times. Pick the back knee up if the knee was down. Then change legs. Right foot steps back, left foot steps forward. 5 times. Rotate down and reach the elbow towards the big toe. And then reach up towards the sky. As we move a little bit quicker, we're starting to bring heat into the body. But stay calm through the movements. Don't rush or race. With both hands down, Step back into a plank position. Now as a modification, you can set the knees down, and we're going to bring knees to elbows. To advance the movement, you can keep the knees lifted off the ground as we do this for 5 minutes. No, just for 30 seconds here. Now we're going to cross, take the knee to the opposite elbow. Good. With your toes curled under, set both knees down, stretch back, reach through your armpits, stretching your lats through your fingers. Then come back up, hands under your shoulders, round through your spine as you exhale. Inhale into a back bended position, cat-cow. 2 more times. Exhale to round and spread through the shoulders and the back. And inhale into the back bended position. Last one, flowing with your own breath. Good. Now stretch back into the lat stretch, hip stretch. Reach through your hands as you glide back. Then glide forward. Bring the hips towards the wrist, opening up in the front. Exhale to glide back. Inhale to stretch forward. 2 more times. Hold in the stretch position. Press down through your hands. Lift up through the front of your rib cage. Then walk your hands back to your feet. Rock back into a squat position as you reach into the hands. Then drop knees and lift your heart. Rock back into squat position. Mobilizing the feet, the ankles, and the knees here. Tap down and inhale. Exhale to rock back. Inhale. Come to your best squat position. Then lift your hips up and let your head drop down as you stretch through the hammies. Drop back down, let the heels lift, and lower as low as feels comfortable for you. Lift up and stretch the hamstrings. Drop down. Lift up and stretch. Let your head drop. Now roll yourself up, 1 vertebra at a time. Nice and slow. Spread your arms out to the side. Turn your palms up, reach up, press down through your feet as you look up. Spread your arms, drop the arms to the side, roll chin to chest, and roll yourself back down towards the ground. Roll back up, nice and smooth. Spread the arms, rotate, turn palms up as you reach. Look up. Spread arms to your side, chin to chest, roll back down. Last one, roll yourself up. Spread arms, reach up, look up, touch palm. And bring your arms down at your side. Thank you for joining me for this morning yoga flow. If you enjoyed it, you can hit the like button so that more people get to see it and so that you get recommended more classes just like this. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.